Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The gold gained 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The Ultimate Oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dropped 1.8% in the last session after rising as much as 3.7% during the session. The Ultimate Oscillator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Global shares rose, boosted by the U.S. Federal Reserve's announcement that it will begin winding down the extraordinary aid for the economy it has been providing since the early days of the pandemic. Paytm, India's digital payments pioneer, would consider Bitcoin offerings if the nation's authorities removed regulatory uncertainty surrounding the adoption of cryptocurrencies. The dollar lost ground on the euro and sterling after the U.S. Federal Reserve said it would not rush to raise interest rates even as it began unwinding its pandemic-era stimulus.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT. Germany's industrial production at 0700 GMT. Italy's retail sales will be released at 0900 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.